name is Gad. I'm a business owner. I got my hair back. I'm from another country. I can go anywhere I want. I choose We Grow Hair Indy. I have friends, they got it done in different places. I feel my hair looks better than them. I'm a business owner, I'm a salesperson, and I know when somebody trying to sell me something. The consultant was totally honest. He did a demonstration with the machine, with camera. He showed me my hair, the situation, what it's gonna be in the future, and he showed me the right solution for me. They told me the ARTAS Robotic FUE is the best solution for me. I live in Indianapolis, it's close to me, and I felt so comfortable. I met my wife when I had long hair, and my hair is important for her too. My wife loves my hair, she loved the result. She met me when I had long and full hair, and it's got thin, and she was like, hey, I met you when your hair was full and thick, and what's going on? Let's fix it.
I definitely encourage him to go and have his hair transplant, and I love the result.
This was where I was losing my hair on the front, and all of this line is all new hair.
I love it.
We Grow Hair Indy grew my hair back.